Wala atang may alam. Supplementary. Ayan. Okay, tama. Supplementary. The two opposite angles of an isosceles trapezoid are supplementary. Okay, next. The area of a kite is blank. The measure of the length of its diagonals. The area of a kite is blank. The measure of the length of its diagonal. Type nyo lang sa chat box kung alam yung sagot. Half. O, gising na ya. So, sagot na eh. Tama, half. The area of a kite is half the measure of the length of its diagonals. Thus, in a kite, the blank of at least one diagonal is the other diagonal. In a kite, the blank of at least one diagonal is the other diagonal. So, medyo mahirap to ah. Type nyo lang sa chat box. In a kite, the blank of at least one diagonal is the other diagonal. Walang may alam. The answer is perpendicular bisector. So in a kite, the perpendicular bisector of at least one diagonal is the other diagonal. So puproceed na tayo sa topic. We can determine from the previous activity that the properties of parallelogram, trapezoid forms, and kite theorems are required to answer the problems. So let's continue with more fascinating and intriguing instances for solving problems involving parallelograms, trapezoids, and kites. So may mga hiranda akong example dito para mas maintindihan natin kung paano mag-solve. Okay. So A, consider the parallelogram RULE with diagonals RL and UE that intersect at A. Number 1, the segment RU is equal to quantity 2x plus 5 cm and segment LE is equal to quantity x plus 10 cm. How long is segment RU? So, ang hinahanap natin is yung length ng segment RU. If ang given natin is 2x plus 5 and x plus 10. Since opposite sides of parallelogram are congruent, therefore we have 2x plus 5 is equal to x plus 10. A-apply lang natin yung addition property of equality by adding negative 5 on both sides. So we have 2x plus 5 plus negative 5 is equal to 2x equal to x plus 10 plus negative 5 x plus 5. So, magiging 2x equals x plus 5 na lang. Paano pa natin mag-simplify? By applying addition property of equality by adding negative x. So, 2x plus negative x is x, and x plus negative x plus 5 is 5. So, ang x natin is 5. Ngayon, na may x na tayo, makukuha na natin yung length ng segment RU natin by substituting the value of x. So, RU is equal to 2 multiplied by 5 plus 5 is equal to 15. Therefore, ang RU natin is 15 cm. So, next, problem number 2. If the measure of angle REL is equal to 2x plus 30 and the measure of LUR is equal to x plus 50, what is the measure of angle REL? So, ang hinahanap naman natin ngayon is angle. Kanina, length. Ngayon, angle naman. Since opposite angles of our parallelogram are congruent, we have 2x plus 30 is equal to x plus 50. So, masisimplify natin yan by applying addition property of equality by adding negative 30 on both sides. So, 2x plus 30 plus negative 30 is 2x. And x plus 50 plus negative 30 is x plus 20. So, meron pa din, hindi pa din natin makakuha yung x. By adding negative x on both sides, we have 2x plus negative x. Makakuha natin is x, and x plus negative x plus 20 is 20. So, ang x natin is 20. Ngayon, substitute ulit natin. So, measure of angle REL is equal to 2 multiplied by 20 plus 30 is 70. So, ang measure ng angle REL natin is 70. Please mag-take note kayo ng mga ano guys ha. Okay, next. If the measure of angle REL is equal to x plus 40 and the measure of angle ERU is equal to 3x minus 20, what is the measure of angle REL and angle ERU? So, dito dalawa na yung nahanap natin. Since consecutive angles of a parallelogram are supplementary, therefore we have x plus 40 plus 3x minus 20 is equal to 180. So, i-combine lang natin yung like terms para ma-simplify. So, magiging 4x plus 20 is equal to 180. So, 4x plus 20, pag-add tayo ng negative 20 on both sides of the equation, magiging 4x. And 160 plus negative 20, magiging 60. So, saan siya divisible? Sa 4. So, mag-add tayo ng 1/4 on both sides. So, 1 over 4 multiplied to 4x is x. And 160 multiplied by 1/4 is 40. So, ang x natin is 40. Therefore, makukuha na natin itong measure ng angle REL by substituting the x. So, ang x natin is 40. 40 plus 40 is equal to 80. Therefore, ang measure ng angle REL natin is 80. Sa angle ERU naman. So, 3x minus 20. Substitute lang ulit natin yung x. So, 3 times multiply by 40 minus 2 is 100. So, ang measure ng angle REL natin is 80 and ang measure ng angle ERU natin is 100. So, ganoon lang, di ba? Madali lang. Pag nakuha natin yung x, substitute lang and then simplify para makuha natin yung angle. Okay, so 4. If the measure of segment AR is equal to quantity 4x plus 5 inches and segment LA is equal to quantity x plus 20 inches, how long is segment RA? So, nahanap naman yung nasa gitna ng parallelogram natin. So, ang given is segment RA is equal to 4x plus 5 and segment LA is equal to x plus 10. Since the diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other, therefore we have 4x plus 5 is equal to x plus 20. So, 4x plus 5, mag-a-add tayo ng negative 5 on both sides. 4x plus 5 plus negative 5 is 4x. And x plus 20 plus negative 5 is x plus 15. So, di pa din natin na-simplify. Mag-a-add ulit tayo ng negative x on both sides. So, 4x plus negative x is 3x. And x plus negative x plus 15 is 15. So, may 3 pa din sa dulo. Mag-a-add naman tayo ng 1/3 on both sides. So, 1/3 multiply to 3x is x. And 15 multiply to 1/3 is 5. So, our x is 5. So, substitute na natin. RA is equal to 4x plus 5. So, magiging 4 multiplied by 5 plus 5 is equal to 25. So, ang haba ng segment RA natin is 25 inches. Sa next naman tayo. Isosceles trapezoid. So, consider isosceles trapezoid RICE with diagonals segment RC and segment IE and with median segment AB if segment RI is equal to x and segment EC is equal to 3x and AB is 18, find the value of x. So, may tatlo tayong bibigyan. Since the median of a trapezoid is half the measure of the length of bases, therefore, we have RI plus CE over 2 is equal to AB. So, x plus 3x divided by 2 is equal to 18. So, mag-a-add tayo ng 2 on both sides. So, 2 multiply to quantity x plus 3x over 2 is equal to 18 multiplied by 2. So, simplify lang natin. X multiplied to x plus 3x divide 2 is x plus 3x. And 18 multiplied by 2 is 36. So, simplify pa natin. X plus 3x is 4x. And 18 divided 2 is 36. So, may 4 pa sa gilid. Kailangan pa natin siya makancel out. So, mag-multiply tayo ng 1/4 on both sides. So, 1/4 multiplied to 4x is x, and 36 multiplied to 1/4 is 9. So, ang x natin is 9. Masagot na natin yung tanong kasi x lang naman ang hinahanap. So, on number 2, if the measure of angle REC is equal to 3x minus 2, and the measure of angle ICE is equal to 2x plus 20, find the measure of angle ICE. So, ang hinahanap na dito is angle. Since base angles of isosceles trapezoid are congruent, therefore, we have 3x minus 2 is equal to 2x plus 20. So, mag-apply natin yung addition property of equality by adding 2 on both sides. So, 3x minus 2 plus 2 is 3x. And 2x plus 20 plus 2 is 2x plus 22. Mag-a-apply ulit tayo ng negative 2x naman on both sides. So, 3x plus negative 2x is x. And 2x plus negative 2x plus 22 is 22. So, ang x natin is 22. Substitute na natin ngayon since may x na tayo. So, measure of angle ICE is equal to 2x plus 20. So, 2 multiplied to 22 is 44 plus 20 is 64. Therefore, the measure of length ICE is 64. Okay, question number 3. What is the value of x if measure angle REC is equal to x plus 21 and the measure of angle CIR is equal to 2x minus 18? Since opposite angles of isosceles trapezoid are supplementary, and pag supplementary, it is equal to 180. So, we have x plus 21 plus 2x minus 18 is equal to 180. So, combine lang ulit natin yung like terms. X plus 2x is 3x, 21 minus 18 is 3. Apply naman natin yung addition property of equality by adding negative 3 on both sides. So, we have 3x plus 3 minus 3 is 3x. And 180 plus negative 3 is 177. Hindi pa din natin na-simplify, no? So, mag-a-apply tayo multiplication property of equality by multiplying 1/3 on both sides of the equation. So, 1/3 multiplied to 3x is x, and 177 multiplied to 1/3 is 59. So, nasagot na yung tanong. Since x lang naman yung hinahanap, ang x natin is 59. So, number 4, what is the value of x if segment RC is equal to 2x minus 11 and segment IE is equal to x minus 3? Since the diagonals of isosceles trapezoid are congruent, therefore we have 2x minus 11 is equal to x minus 3. So, apply addition property of equality by adding 11 on both sides. So, 2x minus 11 plus 11 is 2x. And x minus 3 plus 11 is x plus 8. So, apply ulit tayo ng addition property of equality by adding negative x. So, 2x plus negative x is x. And x plus negative x plus 8 is 8. So, ang x natin is 8. Nasagot na natin yung tanong. Nakuha na natin yung x. Proceed naman tayo sa kite. Consider kite REST with diagonals segment RS and segment ET that intersect at O. So, problem number 1, if segment RE is equal to 3x and segment RT is equal to 6x, find the value of x if the perimeter of the kite is 90 centimeters. So, a kite has a pair of consecutive congruent sides. So, therefore, we have RT is equal to ES and RT is equal to ST. Ang RE natin is 3x. Ang RT and ST natin is 6x. So, para din nakakuha yung perimeter ng kite. Diba? By simply adding all the sides. So, 3x plus 3x plus 6x plus 6x is equal to 90. So, yung ipa-plus lang natin yung mga sides, makukuha natin is 18x. So, meron tayong 18x is equal to 90. So, apply natin yung multiplication property of equality by multiplying 1 over 18. So, 1 over 18 multiplied by 18 is x. And 90 multiplied by 1 over 18 is 5. So, ang x natin is 5. Proceed tayo sa number 2. If segment OR is equal to 3x plus 5 and segment OS is equal to 2x plus 15, find the value of x. So, in a kite, the perpendicular bisector of at least one diagonal is the other diagonal. Therefore, we have 3x plus 5 is equal to 2x plus 15. So, apply tayo ng addition property of equality by adding negative 5 on both sides. So, 3x plus 5 plus negative 5 is 3x. And 2x plus 15 plus negative 5 is 2x plus 10. Apply ulit tayo ng negative 2x on both sides. So, 3x plus negative 2x is x, and 2x plus negative 2x plus 10 is 10. So, ang x natin is 10. Okay, for the last example, we have if segment ET is equal to 21 centimeter and segment RS is equal to 8 centimeter, segment ER is equal to 10 centimeter, and segment RT is equal to 17 centimeter, find the perimeter and area of the kite REST. So dito, dalawa na yung hinahanap, area and perimeter. So first, kunin muna natin yung area. Ang formula ng area. So, ET multiply to RS over 2. So, ang ET natin is 21 multiplied by 8 over 2. So, 168 over 2. 168 divided by 2 is 84. Since centimeter yung hinahanap, centimeter nalagay natin. Centimeter squared yun, ah. Ang area natin is 84 centimeter square. Proceed naman tayo sa perimeter ng kite natin. So, ang given is ER is equal to 10 centimeter and RT is 17 centimeter. Since yung kite ay may pair of consecutive congruent sides, tulad ng ginawa natin kanina, ipag-a-add lang ulit natin yung mga sides. So, 10 centimeter plus 10 centimeter plus 17 centimeter plus 17 centimeter is 54 centimeter. So, di ba ganun lang kadali? The perimeter of a kite is 64 centimeter and the area is 84 centimeter squared. So, madali lang naman siya kunin. Nag-gets na ba natin? May short activity kasi tayo, guys. Since may groupings na kayo, may papasagutan lang ako na 2 question. So, ito yung activity natin. Yung activity natin is tinatawag na the secret code. So, imagine you're locked in a room and the only way out is to crack the 6-digit code. You must solve problem solving involving parallelograms, trapezoid, and kite, with the answer stated for each code in order to obtain the secret code. So, 2 yung question natin. 1 to 2 lang. Pero ang hinahanap natin is 6-digit code. So, may hidden dancer marker na room ulit. 4 yan. So, punta na kayo sa group nyo and try nyo i-solve yung problem para makuha nyo yung 6-digit code. Windscreen nyo na.
Ma'am, nakuha po namin yung number 2, yung sa number 1 po hindi. 96 po yung sagot namin.
Anong group?
Paralelog lang po.
Parallel.
Ma'am, sa amin din po, sa number 2 po namin, 84-54 po yung sinagot namin. Sa number 1 lang po yung mali.
Ma'am, number
Anong
2
group
po
kayo?
namin gano'n.
Sa amin din po.
Apat na group nakuha yung number 2. Oh, medyo nahirapan pa sa 1. So, magbibigay na lang muna ako ng assignment. Later. May sasagutan kayong quiz. Pero maigsi lang. Maigsi lang naman. Hanggang mamayang 6 p.m. Kuklose ko yung link 6 p.m. Send ko sa GC pagkatapos ng meeting natin. No? Okay. So, bakit nga ba kailangan pang pag-aralan tong solving problem na to? Saan ba natin magagamit? Hindi naman natin magagamit pambili ng suka, di ba? So, for example, mga problema ng mayayaman. For example, may lupa kayo. Tapos, ang shape trapezoid. Yari, paghahati-hatian yung lupa kasi nag-aaway na eh. Madededs na yung mga lola nyo eh, ganyan. So, di ba, using itong mga pinag-aralan natin, pwede nyo masukat yung area, yung perimeter, kung gaano kalaki ba yung parte nyo, ganyan. So, kaya lang natin, wala lang to, pinapahirapan lang tayo nito. Pero meron naman talaga, magagamit naman talaga. No? So, para sa assignment, kung naiintindihan nyo na, at kung may tanong kayo, mag-PM na lang kayo sa akin. At yung assignment nyo, paki-screenshot. So, 1 to 4 lang yan. Sasubmit nyo sa akin, direct message nyo sa akin sa FB. Kasali naman ako sa GC. Erika yung name. PM nyo lang doon. Ang deadline niya is Friday, 3 p.m. Kaya naman siguro, no? Friday, 3 p.m. Tuesday pa lang naman eh. So, okay na? Na-screenshot na?
Up.
Pag meron di maintindihan, mag-chat lang. No? Okay na tayo? So, yun lang for today. May sasagutan na quiz. Isend ko mamaya after this hanggang 6 p.m. Tapos, yung assignment until Friday, 3 p.m. Noted na? Mga noted na. Noted na po.
Apa.
Okay. Isa lang ata yung nakapag-note Okay na. Sige. Yun lang for today. So, thank you. Pwede na kayo mag-leave and sagutan nyo na yung send ko na quiz.